this is how to transfer your projects from maybe one team to another. Okay, because whenever you are joining a new team, everything you are working using that team will be saved there. I would advise that you always transfer from the team to your own personal accounts, whereby so that whenever you want to, you can do anything on your own, alright? But the teams are always there forever for you. You will always find them in the list of teams. So if you switch to another team now, let's see which team is this? Finod. Let me switch to this other free team now. Let's say Catalina. Okay. Catalina now is free. There was a time it was pro, but now it is free. It happens like that because of the subscription packages. Every month you have to refresh it. So I'm looking for that project. It's not here. Let me go to my projects. You will see what I call that. Was it test project or whatever? It's not there. These are other things I must have done with it. These are all tests. Okay, not really doing serious designs. Now I want to get back to that Finod team. Alright, that's Finod team. It's just a team I'm trying to work on now. I want to transfer that project I showed to you to Catalina's team, for instance. So here is the project. I call the project name is the design name is transfer copy. So I want to open it. So there it is. Let me just play. Open this design in Canva app. No, not necessary. I want to just work it. So here it is. I just want to play so that you can see how it is. Alright. You may not necessarily see anything there. Okay. Now get to share button. Get the template link this time around. Template link and copy. Alright. When you copy, you get back to your home. If you are using mobile, it's more like the menu. It's something like this at the bottom right corner. You switch your accounts to the next team. The team I wanted to switch it on to was Catalina. So here's Catalina, which you couldn't have been able to find that thing here. Okay, that having been done, the next thing I want to do, whether you close here or not, I'm no longer just after switching over the team. So I go to my web browser here or anywhere else. Maybe I have a WhatsApp link or I pasted it somewhere. Anywhere I find that link, just click on it to open. Whether it's in a document or anything, then click use template. When you now say use template, you can see the file name has changed. Okay, no thanks, I want to use it here. Copy of transfer copy. The original name was transfer copy. Now it has changed to copy of transfer copy with all the details being in place. So let me just try to play again. Look at it now. This account is a free account, and because I am transferring these things from a pro account to a free account, wherever I use the pro features, you will see these watermarks and this Canva signature on it, because this is a free account. That doesn't mean that if you want to transfer, if you have a current pro account, you could not transfer all the details and it will be highlighted and those watermarks will be removed in the pro account. Okay, so if you are transferring to save, you can save it anywhere. Of course, all the teams will always expire one day, but when you want to work on it, you move into a pro account, so that, or when you especially when you want to export it, you could be able to export it. All right, so that is that. Now let me log or go to the home again. Now I'm going to home now. I want to see if it's showing among my recent designs. Can you see? This is a recent one. Look at the team, Catalina's team. Now let me return back to Finod's team. Look at Finod's team. Look at the design, so you can see what was done under Catalina's level. Let's get back to Finod. You see, it was only that one thing that was done, and it's still there. If I delete it from here, for instance, okay, I'm deleting it. I want to move to whatever you want to do. Now it is no longer here. Now switch back to Catalina. I think that's the one we used in that instance. Having switched back to Catalina, it's still there. You can rename it to anything you want to do. Paste, copy one. What it's just, even if you don't want to rename it, just leave it there. That's just how it